So hey there, I'm Zaina Khan. Welcome back to my channel Exotic Food. Again, I'm with you a very quick and easy recipe of very crispy cheese balls. So guys, without any further delay, let's move to the recipe. So first, let's have a glance at the ingredients. First, I took some green chilies, one chopped onion, 1 cup of rice flour, and some cumin seeds and salt as per taste, and cheese cubes. These are only the ingredients we require to make cheese balls, guys. So the very first step is to heat up the oil. You can use any oil, any mustard oil or any refined oil. I generally prefer mustard oil. Just add cumin seeds, and as they start crackling, guys, just we need to add onion and saute until they turn brown. As we achieve such color, just add green chili. This is only the ingredient we are using here. No red chili, nothing. Just add green chili and saute for a few seconds. Now at this stage, we can add our rice flour. I took here 1 cup of rice flour, or you can take according to the requirement. Then I'm adding salt and give it a good mix, guys. Then we will add water gradually and stir constantly to avoid the lumps. We need a batter without any lumps, so just add water gradually, and as you achieve such consistency, see, you just have to switch off the flame. Now the mixture is ready, guys. You can see. Now I will just take it out in a bowl, guys. I just put on these gloves to avoid the stickness. It's a bit sticky, so to avoid the stickness so that it won't stick to my finger, I'm using these gloves and just knead it fine. So guys, just we have to smoothen edge, so just knead for a while, and now you can see it's ready. Now the next step is to make balls. So I'm taking this small amount of dough and flatten it, then put the cheese cubes into it, and now just give it a good shape. Now you can see it's almost ready. With the same method we will prepare all the balls, guys. See, I'm showing you the next one. And as your balls are ready, it's time to fry them. So just add the required number of balls into the oil. And now fry rest of the balls. So our cheese balls are ready to serve, guys. You can serve to your guest. They will definitely appreciate you and praise you for your good effort. So now I will show you how crispy they are outside and cheesy inside. So let's have a look. See guys how tempting they are. So guys, if you like the recipe, please subscribe my channel. So see you soon with a new exotic recipe. Till then, stay healthy. Bye bye. And then fry them until they become golden brown. As you can see, the color, they are perfectly done, and the color, the shape, everything is perfect. So now they are done. Just take them out.